Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you a simple way to extract data from Google search using goose 3 module. This is a command to install goose 3 module. We need to import module first. I am using while loop to execute block of statement repeatedly. Firstly, I am going to get input from the user. Then I am going to provide URL of the Google search query. Afterwards, I assigned goose module to G. And I entered article is equal to G dot extract. URL. By doing this, I can extract data from URL provided by the user. I need to print article first, so I typed print article dot title. Finally, I need to print result, so I have typed print article dot cleaned text, which helps to extract data from Google search. Let's run the program. For example, I type supercomputer. As you can see the title and result about the query. This is one of the simple way to extract data from Google. Thanks for watching this video.